Hello and welcome to another episode of Travel Chef, and today we're going to make is ginger garlic paste. This is a very quick hack that we're trying to show you, and this will help you to make other food in the kitchen much easier and faster. So let's see how is it made. So come on along with us. We have taken 150 grams of ginger, 200 grams of garlic. Cut the ginger into smaller pieces. Place the ingredients of ginger and garlic in a mixie jar. Add a little water to the ingredients. Now close the mixer bowl. We have blended the ingredients in the mixie, and this is our ginger garlic paste. This ginger garlic paste can be used for a variety of dishes, so do try it at home and let us know how's it. Now a preservative free ginger garlic paste can be used for a variety of dishes. We hope you liked watching our video, and we request you to like, share and comment on our channel. If you found making this video of ginger garlic paste pretty useful as well as informative, please share it with your friends so they too can try this method too. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also don't forget to hit the bell icon for future notifications of our videos. Well, until the next video, take care, stay safe and see you soon. Bye bye.